Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 9 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the passwords and security. Now let's tap on system security, and as you can see here we've got the section app installation, we've got installation sources, so let's tap. And here we've been transferred to the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. So if you want to, for example, allow the Gmail to install some content, just tap on the switcher on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because remember that you are doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your device and actually the data at risk. So let's tap on allow if you're ready, and as you can see from now on the Gmail is allowed to install some content. Of course it will work the same with all other apps here, and you can also turn off the permission whenever you want to. Just tap on the switcher here again. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your REALME 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.